Hello everyone. The purpose of this tutorial is to explain how to use the customized task management system to provide you with a unique and fully satisfying experience. Thanks to the built-in automation, you'll be able to speed up the entry of information relating to your tasks, facilitate their search, whether individual or multiple, and simplify their archiving. Let's start with the index sheet, which gives you an overview of what you'll be doing in the task management system on Google Sheets. This solution is based on 4 main sheets: to-do list, find your task, archive, and allocation grid, each with a specific function. You can also add a note, although this is totally optional. Before we get into the details, it's essential to enable automation from your Google account to ensure the smooth operation of the customized task management system. To get started, go to Google Apps Script by clicking on Extensions in the menu bar. A new page will open and you'll be able to view the entire structure of the JavaScript programmed automation. It is imperative that you allow the script to run in the background while you are using the customized task management system. Click on the Run button, then on Review Permissions. Select the Google account you wish to use to open the system. A warning window will appear. This standard Google message will inform you that the application has not yet been verified by their services. It's important to note that this doesn't mean the application is unsafe, but that it hasn't yet passed the validation process. You can proceed with confidence, provided you trust the developer. Your email address will appear as you become the owner of the script, with the ability to modify and adapt it to suit your needs. If the window doesn't appear, enable pop-ups in your browser settings. Click on Advanced, then on Go to Automation for CTMS. Authorize access to the automation and click on Continue. We're now going to activate the triggers needed to make the automation work while you're working. Click on the clock icon on the left, then on Add Trigger. Select the Lock Dates function and, for the event type, choose On Edit, then Save. Repeat this operation, adding the Lock Entry Dates function and save. Return to the Google spreadsheet and refresh the page. Your sheets are now ready to help you manage your tasks. Now you're ready for the tutorial. Now let's open the to-do list sheet. On the left-hand side, a task priority chart allows you to quickly assess the current state of priorities. Next, in the center, you'll find statistics detailing the progress of tasks in the management system. On the right-hand side of the sheet, you'll find a section devoted to tracking overall progress, which summarizes several indicators: the percentage of task completion, the total number of tasks listed, the number of active tasks, those to be completed in the next 3 days, the average completion time per task, as well as the number of archived tasks. Finally, an activity status table lets you view the list of tasks according to their current status. Let's start by adding a category. As far as categories are concerned, you'll have the opportunity to modify them in the allocation grid. This will also be the case for person in charge and priority. What you see here are just examples of categories that you can add or remove as you see fit. As soon as you enter a task, the date of entry is automatically saved. Choose a person in charge, and in this case, we have Person 1, Person 2, or Person 3. Next, choose the priority. The priority score is automatically added, and you'll notice the priority task graph appear. Next, double-click on the due date. You don't need to enter the date directly from the keyboard. Just double-click. The days left will be automatically calculated according to the due date. Then you choose a status from among In Progress, Pending, Paused, Done, and Cancel. Once a task has been completed, you select the Done status. The completion date and time will be automatically calculated. Feel free to insert notes if you wish. Now let's run a simulation with several tasks and a scenario for each task. And let's see how the spreadsheet behaves. If you want to see your task by status without too much detail, you can always go back to the activity status and choose from the available statuses. And don't forget to always take a look at the overall progress to get an idea of your work on the task management sheet. If you want to search for tasks, it couldn't be easier. Let's open the Find Your Task sheet. The search is based on two main criteria: category and person in charge. As simple as that. Once the categories have already been assigned to one or several persons in the to-do list sheet, select the category and the person in charge in the Find Your Task sheet. You'll see all the information relating to these two criteria appear here. Do you have a long list of completed and canceled tasks? You can archive them without disturbing the list of active tasks, just by clicking on the Archive button in the top right-hand corner. As explained earlier, make sure you authorize the script to run to ensure the smooth operation of your customized task management system. Once you've clicked on the Archive button, tasks with a status of completed or canceled will be moved to the archive sheet, and a copy of the updated archives will be emailed to you in PDF format. That concludes this tutorial. I hope you find this file useful in managing your tasks. Don't hesitate to leave your comments. I'd love to hear what you think.